Hi everyone, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to receive money on Bitget Wallet. Knowing how to receive money makes it easier to manage transactions and keep track of your funds. So, let's get started on how to receive money on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the wallet option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can see the receive option. Tap on it. Choose the token you want to receive from the list. Here, you can either copy your wallet address and send it to the user who is sending the money, or you can provide the QR code to the sender to receive the money. And this is how you can receive money on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.